Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. From Trithala, in the Calicut district, a place known for strong roots and steady minds, the son of Muhammed Anas and Renia Anas, raised with discipline, confidence, and clear purpose. Proud of where he comes from and focused on where he's headed, he steps onto this stage, ready to speak, ready to inspire. Put your hands together for Muhammad Sahl TT.
Have you ever noticed that our mobile phones come in all shapes, size, brands? Yet, somehow, they all stay connected to the same network. Now imagine, if we humans could do the same. Different language, religion, food, or opinion, but still connected by one simple thing, respect. But somewhere along the way, we often forgot a simple update called empathy. We upgrade our phones every year, but we rarely upgrade our mindset. India has always been a land of differences, hundreds of languages, dozens of religions, and thousands of traditions, and yet one heartbeat. Remember what our constitution says, unity in diversity. It is not just a beautiful line textbook. It is a survival skill, a philosophy, and a responsibility. Respecting for difference. But somewhere along the way, we often forgot a simple update called empathy. But today, we see something worrying. People are arguing over food, faith, festivals, and sometimes even over harmless comments. We scroll past someone's opinion and we attack before we even understand. Let us remember this. Disagreement is not the enemy. Disrespect is. We can have different opinions and still choose kindness. We can debate strongly and still listen gently. And doing so, we don't just talk about peace. We just practice it. We are quick to cancel, but slow to listen. And we are quick to judge, but slow to reflect. Peace doesn't mean everyone agreeing. It means coexisting with dignity. Just like our festivals, Diwali, Eid, Onam, Pongal, they all shine in their own unique light. And together, they make India brighter than any single celebration ever could. Every time we respect someone who is different from us, we plant a seed for a peaceful tomorrow. Every time we choose dialogue instead of hate, we build a bridge, not a wall. The small moments, a kind word, and a patient ear, and a willingness to understand are the building block of peace. Mahatma Gandhi once said, our ability to reach unity in diversity. It is the beauty and the test of our civilization. And the test is not over. It continues even today in our homes, our classes, our social medias, and our streets. It not just lies in our laws, but in our attitude. So let's not dream of a world everyone thinks same, looks same, or prays same. Let's dream of a world everyone feel safe being different. Because peace is not built by power. It is built by respect, courage, consistent, and quiet. Thank you.